Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to apply or how to register Luxembourg Commune and then get your declaration of arrival in Commune. This document very important if you are applying residence permit. So after reaching in Luxembourg, this is the first step you can do within 3 days only. How many documents you need to carry and went in Luxembourg Commune? So let's start as a detailed demonstration. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. So simply here, if you are arriving in Luxembourg city, so when you're entering the Luxembourg territory of the third country nation, you must valid travel document, visa and passport. You have already, but you always carry where you apply a declaration. Look at this line, particular this line. He or she must be declared of arrival the administration of the commune, any city or any place of commune located on Luxembourg. You go there and then within established residence permit within 3 days arrive in Luxembourg presentee, any place of within a Luxembourg city or country. Which document you needed? First of all, valid travel documents, means your passport, applicable visa, residence permit issue, EU member state. For example, I am coming on India, so I have passport and visa. As a company are providing me this visa document, so I have already 2 documents. So look at this here, second option, original temporary authorized stay, means your work permit. As a company are providing me this work permit to carry this document. And third one, valid proof of address, means residence agreement. Residence place point of view, I already make a video like a furnish.lu website, and this framework are providing you very easily accommodation is a different location and different price. I already make a video, you can see the description link available. So this rental agreement, it's needed. And if you are married, copy of wedding certification within a translate of German, French and English, not mandatory. If you want to register your fiance or wife, so you can carry, and take some coin like a €1, €2 and €5, because of sometimes they are asking you. Otherwise, as a my point of view, I am not providing any kind of coin. You just simply go there and then collect the document. If you have no printout, so it's absolutely fine, no need to carry your printout. You just carry your soft copy. They are providing one email address. You send those documents of this particular email address. Front of the man are taking the printout absolutely free. Fill out the entire application like within 10 to 15 minutes, and you can get declaration arrival as a receipt. Do entire process and get your declaration. And next step comes in how to apply residence permit. I will make a separate video for the tomorrow. So it's very simple to apply declaration of commune. If you have any question, you can comment me, I will help you. This is the building. You can come here and collect or submit your residence ID. And how you reach here, you just take a tram on central train station and reach here. It's very near, like a 300 meter, and walking distance this building are available. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.